there are two gas lines connected to the cylinders for mixing gases. The one line can directly go to all the system. The other have a buffering chamber where you can pressurize the gas and then right? The third line which you are showing, it is the return line, which will release the gas. Right? Now initially when you will start with any experiments, your motto is to first clean the system and create vacuum gases. Okay. For that you have to turn on the main powers. Okay. So one thing we need to know that if you want to heat this one, okay, you will not run the chiller. Okay. Fine. When cooling is required, only that time chiller is required. Okay. So before heating, if previously the chiller has started, okay, then there may be water in this. Okay. So you have to open this, like yesterday we did. Open that one and then flow here, or you can pressurize it by flowing from out. Okay, and remove the water from this section.
This one I need to open, this one also I need to open.
Right. Or you can directly open this too. Okay. Yeah. Right. You can open this and pressurize it so that the water can come out. We'll see how to do it. Okay. Right now there is no water here. Okay, because yesterday we have tested it. We will run the water. Okay, and then finally we will again see how to remove that. Okay, so that can be also seen. Right. This is my rotary pump. Okay, and this is connected via hose pipe. Okay, this is flexible hose pipe. Okay, connected to this gas line. Okay, and then this is a gauge, vacuum dial gauge, and here you have a vacuum Pirani gauge. Okay, now our first step to create a vacuum in the system. Okay, so for that we need to turn on the rotary pump. Okay, there is a switch for rotary pump.
Existing
Issues. Turn it on. Can you turn it on? Rotary pump is on. Okay. You can turn on the gauge. So now you can turn on the display. You can turn on this display also. So you are seeing that this two displays is not turning on because this is water interval. If there is no water, this two power supply for these two sources will not work. Okay. This is kept without water interval because we are heating it without water supply also, right? So that
we are heating
only with water. Okay. Because there is heat water supply, right? Because here also it is not needed if right now it is a copper gasket, so you can heat it without water also. Okay. But once you will put a vacuum gasket, okay, then it should be with the water because it will need that vacuum can it can damage the water. It is purposely put in that. Now, these are the three temperatures connected. Okay. This is showing temperature of T2 is showing temperature of this point. Okay. T3 is showing temperature of this point, gas line point. And T4 is the extra to see the temperature of any of the this two points. So it is tagged, right? This is T2. Okay, can you see? This is T2, and here it is different T2. Okay, right? So this is T2, right? This one is T3. Okay, this is T2. So this temperature of this thermocouple is showing this. This is T4, this is connected right now here. If you want to take that one, you remove this and connect it here. Okay, so show the temperature. So you can remove it here and then connect it here. Okay, so at that time, you will show the temperature of that. No, you can edit it. Fine. This is connected, now it is showing temperature of that. Right? Accordingly, wherever you want to check, you can connect it. Okay, by this. So these are the main gauges. These are the supply. This is water heater, so this supply. Now, so we have turned on the rotary pump. Now the vacuum is coming up to this point. Okay, because this valve is closed. Right? So I want to create vacuum in this. Okay, as well I want to get the initial to gas line where the gas is coming, right? Then how to do it? I will first open this. Not this. Fine. This. Fine. Now I have to create vacuum in this, right? So how to create vacuum in this? I have to open this one because this line is going to this one, right? Fine. So now the gas line is going like this and going inside and coming to this, right? And you can see that the gauge. So this gauge is connected. Okay. Whenever you are pressurizing this chamber or passing gases to this chamber, okay, above atmosphere, this need to be closed. This gauge should not see anything above it. Okay.
This side is closed.
Right. So I can close this one initially because this part is not required for vacuum. So this is only for vacuum. When pressure is needed, I will close this one. Okay, and I will open this one because this is showing the pressure. Understand?
So this gas will pass.
Huh. If you are pressurizing something, if you are pressurizing this chamber, right? I am pressurizing by passing gases to the system, right? At that time this will be closed because pumping you are not doing. Okay, you are passing gases. At that time you will close this valve because this piranha should not go to higher pressure. It should only reach up to atmosphere, right? So to save the piranha, this should be closed, and this should be open because here you will see how much pressure is there.
Okay.
Right? Understand the point? Right? But right now we should close this one.
Okay.
And we will open this one so that we can at least see the what is the vacuum inside. Fine. So we will wait for at least 5 minus 1, and then we will. I mean, already yesterday we have seen, but.
Mm-hmm.